Good morning, second graders. Here is your watch and learn video for today's topic, 3.1 lesson. Today we're working on adding our tens and ones and using a 100 chart to help us find some of those patterns. So let's get started.
You can add on a 100 chart. Find 54 plus 18. Start at 54. Add the tens from 18. Move down one row to show 110. How many rows down is 64 from 54?
So that's a lot they've already tried to show you. Okay, so if we're trying to find 54 plus 18, we start at the 54. And what she said was that we were going to add the 10 in 18. Remember, 18 is just a 10 plus 8. So I'm going to add 10. And the easy way within our number chart is just to go right down because that's going to be 10 more. If I wanted to prove it, right, I can count on, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 54 plus 10 is 64. So I just gone down one row.
64 is one row down from 54.
Great. At this point, you've added 10 of your 18. So let's see what we need to do next.
How many tens is that? It is 110.
Good job.
How much more is 64 than 54?
Select your answer.
So at this point, we should know that we've added 5, 10, or 20 to our number. What did we do first? If you said 10, you were correct.
It is 10 more. Now add the ones.
How are we going to do that? Remember, we can just continue to count on, and remember, I've got to add 8 more because I did my 10 already. That's what the 1 in our tens place value tells us. And then I'm going to add my 8, right? Because I have 8 left in the ones. So I can continue counting 8. 1, 2, 3, and so on to get to the rest of my 18. Let's see.
You are already at 64. Now move ahead 8 to show 8 ones. How many spaces ahead is 72? You need to go to the next row to add them all. 72 is 8 spaces ahead.
And remember, you should see that because we added the 10, then we're adding 8 more because 10 and 18, or 10 and 8 make 18, okay? So I started just quickly going 10, and now I'm gonna add 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that gets me to 72. Be careful on these. You don't wanna count right here at 64, 1, because I haven't added anything to it yet, right? So make sure, similar to that number line, that I have to make kind of like a jump. Here's my next number. So 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay? So 72 is 8 spaces ahead, and that should give us our total sum.
How many ones is that? That is 8 ones. How much more is 72 than 64? 72 is 8 more than 64. How much more is 72 than 54?
So think about where we started, right? I started at 54, I counted 10, I did 8 more. So how many more did we get to? What did we add to get to 72?
72 is 18 more than 54. Now you know how to add using the 100 chart.
I can add really fast with the 100 chart.
So the 100 chart today is going to be a really good tool to use. Remember, it's designed to help you be able to add quicker. So I can use patterns to help me get there, right? When I'm adding tens, I can start with that 10 and then add the rest of my ones. It does take a little bit longer if I want to count by ones the whole way there, right? If I was going to go 54 plus 18 and count by one, I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That is a strategy, but remember, as mathematicians, we want to make sure that we are being efficient. We like to do things, we like to get it done quickly so we can move on to our next problem. So use those strategies, use place value today to help you with that. Good luck. We'll see you tomorrow.